Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing the vehicle and connecting the tool. Park safely, turn the ignition off, then plug the OBD-ROMAN 2 cable into the port under the dash. This powers most scanners. Once connected, turn the key to the accessory position or start the engine as your scanner instructs. This lets it communicate with vehicle modules. Make sure your scanner has current firmware, because newer cars need updated protocols. Updated firmware avoids misreads and saves you troubleshooting time. Once done connecting, power the scanner and choose the correct vehicle parameters if asked. Initiate a full read of stored, pending, and permanent codes. Record the code numbers and freeze frame data because they show operating conditions when the fault occurred. Make sure to read live sensor data, RPM, fuel trims, O2 voltage, so you can compare expected values versus actual. If a code seems generic, consult the vehicle-specific repair manual. That explains the why behind the code and guides targeted to. After repairs, you should clear codes only when ready to verify fixes, clearing too early hides data. Once cleared, perform the recommended drive cycle or drive 50 to 100 miles to let readiness monitors complete, then rescan to confirm the issue is resolved. If codes return, start troubleshooting electricals. Check battery voltage, grounds, and connectors, and use wiring diagrams to trace circuits. One key tip if intermittent faults persist: record live data during a short drive or use freeze frame captures to capture the fault moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.